Let's make a paper spinner. I learned how to do this project on this YouTube channel. You'll need 10 paper strips. These are 11 inches long and about a ½ inch wide. You'll also need some circles, paper circles, some paper putty, a wooden skewer, which has had the tip cut off so it's not so sharp. You'll need some kind of glue. A glue stick will work. And you'll need something to do some poking at the ends of the paper. So I have a pencil. I also have a piece of cardboard that I'll use to put underneath. So I will start by poking holes at both ends of each strip of paper so that they will fit onto the skewer. So you can put your hole at the end somewhere around there. Okay, now I have holes at the ends of each piece of paper. Now I need to make a hole in the center of the circles. I'll do the same thing with a pencil or a pen, toothpick. You could even try the end of the skewer. A pencil works really well. And now it's time for me to get my mat ready for gluing. I don't want to put glue on the table. So I will get my glue stick and I will put glue on top of one of the circles. And I will put it through the skewer, the wooden stick. I'll find the hole and put it down to the middle. Now I'm going to put my paper strips on so that it sticks to that circle. So I will put a dab of glue on the bottom of a piece of paper, right where the hole is, and I'll bring it down. Oops. To the circle. And now I will keep on putting paper strips on the circle. If you spread it out around and don't put it on top of the strips of paper, it will be a better sphere at the end. So let's get that there. I think for now I will just put them on and then add some glue after I've already put a few on. Now I'm going to just do a little gluing in here. You can put glue on top. Doesn't have to be very neat. You just want these paper strips to be stuck together as they come down. And if they still are wobbly, that's fine. You can go in at the end. Maybe you have Elmer's. So let's see. I'll put a little more glue here. Okay, a couple more places. Let's do one here. looks like maybe we could use one right here. All right, now, since the glue hasn't dried yet, you can still wiggle them around, make them a little more even. And to help keep them together, I'm going to add a circle, so it's like a circle sandwich. So let's put glue on the circle. And I will put it on top of that strip collection so that it keeps them together. Now you see, you've got the bottom part of your spinner. Now we need to do the same thing with the top. We will put the strips onto the hole, but we're not going to put a circle. We will just start putting the strips on. So find the hole, put it through the skewer, and you can add some glue. And as you add more and more paper strips, you add more and more glue so that the top part is also stuck together. And it's okay if you move them down as you're just going along. Add some more glue. And you can press down. It looks like there are only 2 strips left. Now, after I've wiggled them a little bit, I'm going to add a circle on top to help keep them together. So I will put a lot of glue on this one. And we'll stick it on the top. Now the top part is supposed to be stuck tighter than the bottom. So to make the top part sturdier, you can take your poster putty and you can put it on the top like a little cover, and you can do the same around the bottom. You want these top strips to be sturdy. If you have a glue gun, then this is what you can also use, but I am using poster putty. Now, this bottom section, the hole can be a little tight and it doesn't move. You want it to move so you can loosen it by pushing it up against the wooden skewer. And as you do it, it's going to make a bigger hole. And this part is going to be able to move down so that when you spin it, you can push it up. And that's why I have the straw. If you want to use a straw, you can use that to spin your spinner. And you can play around. I hope you enjoy making this cool paper spinner.